In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to save at least 10 to 20% on your next online shopping purchase. Think about it, whenever you reach the checkout page of an online store, there's almost always a box that asks for a promo code or coupon code. If you have one, you get an instant discount. The problem is, most of the time we don't know what the active codes are, but the reality is that many online stores actively offer these discounts. You just have to find them. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use AI to track down these hidden coupon codes so you can save big on your next order. Let's dive in and see how this works. For this demonstration, I'm going to select an item from this online store. This is the article and I will add it to the cart. Now I am head over to the checkout page, and here is the original price of this item, $42. Then we will use AI to find working coupon codes for this exact store, apply them and see how much money we can actually save. And just to clarify, this method doesn't just work for this specific store. It works for almost any online store in the world that offer coupon codes. To find a working coupon code for this product, we are going to use ChatGPT. I have provided a specific prompt in the video description of this video so that you can copy and use yourself. All you need to do is paste that prompt into ChatGPT and the link to the product or store. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, we will open the ChatGPT and paste our prompt. Next, we will paste the product link into the prompt. We will also paste the store link. After that, we will select the web search feature of the ChatGPT. Then we press enter. Similarly, what we will do, we will open a new chat and paste the exact prompt, but at this time we will use deep research. Now ChatGPT will find all the working coupon codes from social media, Reddit communities, and all the places where these coupon codes are. So we have to wait for it. So here ChatGPT provides us the result of the web search. I think this one is not valid, so we will try the second one. I will copy this and paste it here. Let's see if it's work or not. It works. Our first coupon code works perfectly and we save $6.30. Let's try all the remaining ones one by one. This works also, but this website only offer one coupon code at a time. This also works. So we have four which are working. So let's see what ChatGPT gave us on the deep research result. The result is still in process. So after 4 minutes, our research is completed, and now we have our coupon codes listed here. And now we will see these coupon codes if it's work or not. This one is working. This one is also working. So we have all the working coupon codes. So yeah, as you can see, we have dozens of working coupon codes available. We can use them and easily save 10 to 20% on the entire order. If you find this video helpful, please do support this channel. Thank you so much.